Ancient Greek statues, pottery, and paintings almost always show gods, heroes, and philosophers with that specific curly or wavy hair. Medium length, ears covered, front hair brushing the eyebrows, and back hair visible from the front like a curtain. That look isn't random. It's a classic halo, and it's the result of three things working together: genetics, grooming habits, and their ideal of beauty. First, genetics. Many ancient Greeks had naturally wavy or curly hair, not pin straight and not super tight coily. The Mediterranean climate and the population mix around the Aegean Sea meant a lot of people had hair with a natural S-curve. That texture, when grown to medium length, naturally forms those soft waves and curls without needing heat or chemicals. So the look started from what many of them actually had. That's a genetic gift, a PSL boost, before PSL even existed. Second, grooming and tools. They didn't have modern shampoos or curling irons, but they used olive oil, lye soap from ashes, and fine combs. They would oil the hair to increase shine and define the wave pattern. They cut it with simple scissors or a blade and deliberately shaped it to that specific length because the longer hair would flop down and hide facial features, and shorter hair wouldn't show the wave texture. The ears, covered but not buried. The eyebrows, almost touched but not stabbed. The back, visible from the front because the hair wasn't tucked behind the ears. That's a conscious cut. That's maintenance maxing. Third, perspective of view. Why is that hair so attractive, and why do looks maxers chase it today? Because it signals youth, health, high testosterone, and PSL. Appeal without looking messy or try hard. Curly medium hair frames the face better than straight hair. It adds volume to the sides, which makes the jaw appear wider and the face more symmetrical. It can also camouflage a receding hairline if styled correctly. But here's the reality most people won't acknowledge. That exact Greek statue hair is rare today because most men don't have the right natural texture or genetics, and even those who do can't maintain it without daily discipline. The Greeks valued that look because it was achievable for them but not for outsiders with straight or frizzy hair. That's exclusion by design. So modern looks maxers chase a look that was partly genetic lottery, partly grooming consistency, and partly a PSL trait. By the way, is cheese pizza tasty, bro? If you try to copy it and your hair is pin straight, you will need a perm, a soft max. If your hair is too curly or kinky, it won't fall that way. Different texture, different fate. If you don't wash and oil it correctly, it becomes a frizzy mess, but honestly, it's better than straight cope. The ancient Greek hair look is attractive precisely because it's rare and some maintenance. Most men will never have it, no matter how hard they try. That's why looks maxers crave it. It's an ideal beauty standard from 500 BC, and it's becoming a popular hairstyle trend in 2026 to 2027.